Hi, welcome to my channel again. I'm just sharing today the folders I made for Vianney Creates Christmas Ephemera folder swap. There, I said it right. I was in her last ephemera swap, which I think was the elegant ephemera folder swap, and it was a lot of fun. And so I thought when she had this one that I definitely wanted to join up and become a member of it. So these are the 4 folders that I made. And we were supposed to make 4 Christmas themed folders that have 15 pieces of ephemera, preferably as flat as possible, and have a hidden paper clip. So we'll look through one of my folders and see what kind of goodies I have in here. So here's my hidden paper clip. This was fun. I just made it with a tag punch that I had. I like the shape of it. And then I put the poinsettias and the holly leaves and the cute little black bow on it. This is my folder. Inside of everybody's folders has basically the same type of goodies. There is a little package of Graphic 45 ephemera, and Graphic 45 is the paper collection I used to make the folders. And so there's a couple of decent sized pieces as well as the smaller pieces. And then I tried to put a large piece in everybody's. I just love these. They're so cute. Great for journaling. Great for Christmas albums. Everybody gets 2 of these nice white and gold Anna Griffith bows. I have no idea how old these are. A friend of mine went to a garage sale in Portland, Oregon and sent me a lot of wonderful Anna Griffith stuff. Everybody's going to get a die, and it's either going to be a Gemini Crafter's Companion die or shape die, or it's going to be a AliExpress die. These are dies I haven't used that I had in my stash. They're either, sadly to say, duplicates because I buy everything, or they're just ones that I didn't think I'd use because I have punches or something else that I use. All right, so then I have in each one a little bag of goodies. There is a flag paper clip, and then there are these 2 little washi tape paper clips. We'll open this up and see what kind of goodies are in there. I'm not going to show you the dies that I've included because they are all different. Whereas these are mostly the same. Everybody's going to get a small piece of holly. Everyone's gonna get a snowflake. These are all Anna Griffith. Everyone's gonna get a large piece of holly. Everyone's going to get this lattice piece. This is just a die cut I had that I thought was pretty. Everybody gets a little holiday coffee mug. These are so cute. My friend Sheila made them for me and sent them to me in a swap, and I just love them. And she teases me because I hoard all her stuff, and so I thought, well, I'll share this time. And then I have a little sheet of gold clear stickers that say, ooh, that glare is awful, Merry Christmas. And then there'll be another die cut piece that is Anna Griffith. These are angels. I've got 2 angels, and I forgot what the other 2 were. I think they were either bells or trees or something. And then I have some of these Anna Griffith Christmas banners or flag things. And then I have 3 washi tapes that I put on a tag, and I'm sorry that my kitty cat is like so involved here, but she loves it when I do this stuff. She's such a silly thing. I want to put more in my stuff, but I know that if I do, Vianney's not going to be happy with me, so I'm going to refrain. I hope that the recipients will like what I've sent. Once the swap is over, I'm pretty sure that Vianney's going to put all the little folders in a little booklet like she did for the elegant ephemera swap. And I will link that video below because it was amazing, the little book she made that holds these folders. Okay, have a very wonderful day. Bye-bye.